Reports from storm spotters in the field are very important during severe weather events. There is only so much information that radar can provide. Storm chaser Jason Boggs talked to us about the importance of being prepared before chasing.
Well, the first thing I would say is if you're going out for the first time, ride with somebody that's experienced. That is very, very important. Don't go out and try to do it yourself because you'll get yourself in trouble. I kind of get away from the models, the computer models, and kind of look at real-time data, the moisture in the air, the instability, and I'll pick a target and I'll just kind of go to the target and sit there and wait and look at data from there. Well, I would prefer to get to my target area well in advance. That way I can gas up and eat if I need to and look at data and just, you know, if I have trouble with my vehicle or whatever, I have time to do that and not have storms forming, you know, while I'm going to my target area.
We work closely with the National Weather Service to help alert you about severe weather. We talked to Chrissy Scotton of the local Amarillo office about the outlook for this spring and the threat for severe weather.
Right now, what we're expecting is a more active season that we've seen the last 2 seasons. So I want to stress that it's not time to be complacent. Tornadoes still do happen here in the Texas and Oklahoma panhandles. So we're expecting more in the way of thunderstorms than we've seen the last 2 seasons. Right now is a great time to get prepared for severe weather season. You've been prepared for winter and blizzards. Now is the time to prepare. I always stress, have multiple ways to get weather information. Here locally, FEMA is going to send out weather emergency alerts. You may have gotten them with the blizzard warnings. You will get tornado warnings on your cell phone free of charge. There's other programs you can do. R2BReady.com. You can also sign up for warnings. But the main thing is don't rely just on outdoor warning sirens. Turn into local media, get NOAA Weather Radio, and sign up for these alerts.
When severe weather strikes, what you have done to prepare ahead of time is just as important as taking shelter from the storm. But it's also the part that most people don't think about until it's too late.
Try to think about the situation you could be in if disaster hit your household. Make sure you have some items on hand that you can bring with you to your shelter or safe place, such as a flashlight, first aid kit, blankets, and extra batteries for any electronics you bring. Make sure to have a few days' worth of water and food for each person in your family just in case you get trapped. Canned food is great to have ready, just make sure to bring a manual can opener. Bring water not just for drinking, but also for sanitation purposes. You never know how long you may be cut off from basic utilities. Don't forget special items your family will need, like diapers and formula if there are babies in the house, or prescriptions and medications that are taken daily. Keep these things in 1 or 2 backpacks so that you don't have to worry about gathering everything when you should be getting to safety.
One of the best things to have before a weather-related emergency is a NOAA Weather Radio. Think about it. There are plenty of ways for you to stay aware of severe weather when you're awake, but what about when you're asleep? It turns out a $30 device could save your life. A programmable weather radio is the best way to stay safe overnight. It will play a loud alert. It'll wake you up when dangerous weather is coming. The alerts can be set up for the counties that you want to hear about. They're also very useful during the storms to know when it's safe to come out of your shelter.
Weather information is always ready for you at our website, myhighplains.com. Whenever you need to check the radar for rain, find out the latest information on severe storms, sign up for weather alerts for your phone, or get my daily forecast emails, myhighplains.com is your destination online. And find the Forewarned Severe Storm team on Facebook and Twitter to get updates on a daily basis. The last 2 years have seen unprecedented drought with very limited rain chances and below normal severe weather seasons. This year thus far seems to be continuing in that same dry pattern. In fact, long-range models indicate above normal temperatures and below normal precipitation through May. Needless to say, this is not good news for our area. However, even in drought years, severe weather can and still does occur. Never let your guard down. When thunderstorms approach, be prepared to go to your place of safety. Watch out for hail, high winds, and lightning. And remember, especially in spring, tornadoes can accompany the strongest of storms. Always be prepared. Thank you for joining us.